Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. Thanks so much for being here. Today, I'm going to give you a bit of a walkthrough of the brand new Roadmap exclusive course, which has blown my mind. Honestly, you know I'm a massive fan of Roadmap 3.0, right? But this has taken it all to a new level. Listen, Hannah and Zach are just amazing people. The work ethic, the honesty, integrity, honestly, they just blow my mind. The course itself is fantastic. I'm going to walk you through it now. I will leave the link below if you want to go and check it out even further, okay? But if you're not following my channel, please do that as well. Really support my growth for this channel. Just click the follow button, and of course, you're going to get notified of any new launches, new upgrades, new posts, new videos, anything I'm doing. You'll get notified. If you want to get involved with my business, just go to the sixfiguredad.com and enter your email address. And if you've got any questions, reach out, send me an email. I'm more than happy to help anybody, okay? But today, let's get into Roadmap Exclusive. Enjoy it. It is amazing. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Obviously, if you've made an inquiry regarding Roadmap Exclusive, then obviously this is going to really help you. So what I wanted to do, and especially with the new launch of Roadmap Exclusive, is give you a bit of a walkthrough of behind the scenes of the actual course itself, okay? Because I understand it's an investment, it is a one-time investment, but it's still an investment of your hard-earned money, okay? But let me tell you, I've been in the industry a while, I've taken many courses, and I landed on Roadmap 3.0 initially, okay? And that just blew my mind. And now I know who the creators are, and I know them quite well. I've engaged with many times. They are so honest and trustworthy. The ethics of these people is another level, okay? So this is why I've kind of gone all in with Roadmap Exclusive as my core product, because it is the ultimate course in my opinion. For beginners, for people who are looking to level up, for people who just want to start any kind of business, whether it's online or otherwise, the Roadmap community and network is covering all angles for you. So it's just an amazing education, right? So Roadmap Exclusive is just taking Roadmap 3.0 to another level. Basically, that's what they've done. They've enhanced the video learnings, they've enhanced the modules, they've obviously made it more interactive by creating the video content and not just educational slides with audio, which Roadmap 3.0 was. So I'll dive into it right now, but at least this is going to give you a bit of an insight of what it looks like. Obviously you can see the home screen there. This is the platform of the course. I will slide down very shortly, but remember, if you have any questions, just reach out to me, drop me an email or drop me a message, or you're probably receiving this via email anyway, so just reply to that and we'll catch up and engage at any time to suit you, okay? Okay, so as we scroll down the actual course itself, the platform itself, okay, then you've got the community, the inspiration hub, the customer service, and the one-to-one paid support. Now, that's optional, okay? I've not taken that myself, but it is an option for you if you need it. There's a welcome video there from Hannah herself, introducing the Roadmap Exclusive. Very exciting launch this is, guys, okay? Because Master Resell Rights was started with Roadmap, as it was then Roadmap to Riches, okay? And then later Roadmap 2.0, 3.0, and now we've got Roadmap Exclusive. So we have stepped away from Master Resell Rights. Now, Roadmap Exclusive, it's a dynamic partnership. That's what they've called it, okay? So which is basically taking the best of Master Resell Rights and the best of affiliate marketing, combining the two. So what that means for you is basically you're making a one-time payment. We get to retain ownership of our customers' email addresses, which unlike a lot of other affiliate style programs, we're not always in control of our customers' emails, right? With other programs. With this, we are. It's our business. So we're retaining that ownership like a Master Resell Right product. However, this is more of an affiliate style commission. A higher one, a lot higher than a lot of other courses, because this pays you 80% commission should you choose to promote it. But you don't have to. It's an option. Whilst you're learning the skills of building your business, building your brand, you've got a product to promote if you want to do that online. That's absolutely fine. And you get 80% commissions for promoting it. Okay, but you don't have to, which is again another real big incentive for beginners. You don't have to create your own Stripe payments, PayPal payment links, set that up to your funnels. It's all handled by Roadmap themselves. So you don't have to worry about setting that up. That's a really big plus. So as I scroll down the course here, you'll see Many modules, okay? Inside each module, you've got obviously multiple files as well, multiple video training sessions. So the creating your business is obviously the way to start, the best place to start, the starting point. And then you've got marketing in the digital age. And then as we go down, it determines your expertise and building your core of your brand, building your automated sales process, which is, I talk about this on my lives all the time, is so important. Yes, you need a product in high demand, which Roadmap exclusive absolutely is. Best education you're going to find for beginners, in my opinion. I absolutely love Roadmap. And then, of course, step 2, you need your automated sales funnel built out for, in a way that's going to convert for you. So people are going to get to know, like, and trust you, right? So this is going to take you through all of that. You've got 4 files in there. You've got obviously the building your automated follow-up system, right? Your email marketing, okay? 11 video files in there. How to market and sell to your audience. Again, this comes down to knowing who your perfect customer is, okay? And go through that training. What niche are you involved with? Who's your perfect customer, okay? And how to promote yourself and brand yourself so you attract customers coming to you. Right, sales and marketing is so massive. And of course, mindset is so important. People underestimate the power of the mind, okay, when it comes to any business. But online entrepreneurship requires a strong mindset. It is so important. So that's why this has been added to this. Tools for obviously solopreneurs, like all your softwares you need, anything AI that's going to enhance your learning and give you that benefit and sort of a bit of a lift up to make life easier for yourself, okay? It's all there. Building your own written digital products. Now, a lot of courses don't teach this, but Roadmap do. How to start, like I've said, it's really important to brand yourself, okay? And this is what Roadmap's all about. It's about building your solid business. So you are the business. You have your own brand. You start building your own products out. So you're not just buying a course to sell a course. It's not that at all, okay? This is purely an education. It's a business development and marketing education. And you can take that into any industry, into any business, whether you want to build an online business or use the skills to take to your brick and mortar business. Whatever works for you. This course is giving you the education for an all-round experience, right? But when you start building, obviously you're creating your own digital products, then of course you can promote them for 100% profit as well. Again, building your own video-based offer as well. There's so many opportunities in the online space, okay? So, and the basics of hosting your offer, of course, in the digital age, I suppose. The community, where you're harnessing the power of the community, is an amazing community, okay? Very like-minded people. Everybody's so helpful. I'll show you the community in a second if I can. Building a customer-centric business and branding, obviously building the depth for your brand for the long term. Roadmap are really strong on this. It means a lot to Roadmap that you brand you, and you're not branding Roadmap. You're not branding them. You're branding you as the business. You are the business. It's your, when you're building a brand, you've got to know who your audience is. Okay, don't be marketing to everybody, because you'd be vanilla marketing. You're pretty much marketing to nobody. Then you really got to start in a niche. You've got to narrow it down, but brand yourself so you attract your audience, and obviously the compliance. It's all there for you. Become a dynamic partner, like I've said already. Okay, this opportunity is an amazing one. This is the latest course on the market. It is a rebrand of Roadmap 3.0, and I am so excited to share it with you because it is the #1 place to start, in my opinion. Okay, let me just go back a little bit here. So if that wasn't enough, we have bonus content as well. Now, this bonus content is the video you see in front of you here is from Hannah explaining what's going on here. Basically, we have so many professionals in this network of Roadmap, okay? And what they've done is they've added value to the community. So some people are experts in CapCut, YouTube, so on. So what they've done for Roadmap is give back. They've created trainings themselves and added it to the Roadmap team, who have obviously reviewed it and said, yes, this is fantastic. We can add this as bonus content. So how to use Canva, how to use CapCut, learn more about affiliate marketing, Instagram, YouTube, blogging, LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook, Kajabi, school, you name it, everything's in here. Everything is in here that you need to build a solid foundation for your business. And obviously, you don't want to be overwhelming yourself. There's a lot of information in here, okay? But what you want to be doing is building your business step by step, following the process. As you get obviously more confident, as you develop into maybe other social media platforms, maybe you decide, I want to start a YouTube channel. Bang, you've got the YouTube training right there for you, okay? So, let me quickly show you the Inspiration Hub as well, okay? This is where you'll find some testimonials, some stories from happy campers, okay? Obviously, there's more in the Roadmap 3.0 because that was the course. This has literally been launched for 1 week at the time of recording this. So this is so exciting, guys. This is so exciting. And here's the automation section, okay? So you can choose from whatever option suits you best. Now, System.io, of course, you can set that up as a free account. That is your funnel builder, your email automations, okay, all in one platform. That's a really good tool. I do still use that, and I have used System since I first got started, and I still use it now. It's great. So you get the pre-built funnel system there with funnel mix, okay, as well. You can build your own funnel from scratch if you'd rather do that. You can set up your email automations with System too. You can set it up via beacons. So you're getting training on multiple platforms here. And of course, my favorite, Standstore. I absolutely love Standstore. It's so user-friendly. Yes, it's a paid service, but in my opinion, it is so worth it because it's the easiest one to navigate, and technically it's the easiest one to set up. So I love Standstore, though I don't currently use it for email marketing, but I do use it for everything else. So I link my Standstore back to my System account. That's what I'm currently doing. Now, going forward, I will probably bring everything across to Standstore because it just makes sense, right? But for now, as a beginner for yourself, then you choose what's right for you, okay? And finally, here's the Customer Service Hub, okay? Available to contact 24/7, and what they've done is made it really simple for you to reach out, okay? So obviously the top one is contact Changing Courses 11, the creators of Roadmap Exclusive, just by clicking that button there, and so on. PayPal, Stripe, Social Studio, the Companion, the Funnel Mix, Beacon, Standstore, System. They made it so easy for you to get hold of the relevant customer service support team. Okay, so that's just really beginner friendly and a no-brainer. So guys, I hope that's been of use to you. It gives you a bit of behind the scenes look at Roadmap Exclusive. Aesthetically, it is fantastic, okay? Educationally, it is fantastic. Content is another level. It really, really is, okay? The information you get from this course is just it's gonna give you all the tools you'll need to go from A to Z, okay? And whatever business choice you choose to go down, whether it's online or whether it's brick and mortar, you've got a fantastic education here. Online opportunities these days are insane, okay? So you really need to be thinking long and hard about setting the foundations of your business so you've got a business for the long term, not just a quick fix, okay? Don't just fall into the trap of the next shiny object syndrome, because there's always going to be new courses coming out. There really is. But you've got to, I've learned this the hard way. Now I think you've got to, when you come across something like Roadmap Exclusive and you see the true value that it offers for the long term, because it's building your foundations in a business environment, and it's teaching you the entrepreneurial skills that you need to be sustainable, okay, in your business, in your brand, and not someone else's. So bear that in mind when you make your choice of what program, what course you get involved with, because ultimately you need an education that is solid, that has depth to the education, and not just fluff. Hence, Roadmap Exclusive is the way you need to go. If you've got any questions, drop me an email, drop me a message, reach out. I'd love to have a chat to you. Take care, guys. Hope that helps.